Hey there, welcome back to Scrummy. Carrot cake is on the menu today and I thought I'd make it a little bit different by making it into a tray bake. Tray bakes are great and I find them so much easier than a layered cake. This recipe is really light, full of flavour and spices, moist, and that's how I love my carrot cake. Okay everyone, time to start baking. The first step is to place medium-sized eggs, light brown sugar and sunflower oil into a bowl. Using a whisk, break up the eggs and mix together until combined. Add the grated carrot, raisins and orange zest and fold it into the wet ingredients. If you prefer to use something different to raisins, I know not everyone likes them, you can use sultanas or even chopped up walnuts, pecans or a combination of the two would be lovely. Next we're going to start adding the dry ingredients. We're starting with self-raising flour, baking soda, ground ginger, mixed spice and cinnamon. If you can't get mixed spice, you can use pumpkin spice, which is very similar. All these spices will add a delicious flavour to the carrot cake. Fold the dry ingredients in, making sure not to overmix. This is ready for the tin. Pour the mixture into a 9" by 9" square baking tin. Line it with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. This is ready for the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. When it's baked, allow it to cool fully before decorating. Now for the cream cheese frosting. So to make this cream cheese frosting, whisk up the butter for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when it's nice and soft, add in the icing sugar and whisk again for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Cream cheese frosting is delicious on carrot cake. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky, but if you follow this recipe, you'll get a perfect thick cream cheese frosting. The final 2 ingredients is vanilla extract and full-fat cream cheese. Mix on a low speed for a few minutes until smooth and thick. This cream cheese frosting you can see is lovely and thick and it's perfect to use now for decorating the cake. To decorate the carrot cake, you can place the cream cheese frosting on top and just spread it out, as simple as that. Or if you want to go to a little bit more effort, you can use an icing tip to create a nice effect on top. Sprinkle chopped walnuts or your favourite mix of nuts on top. I'm finishing off with some icing sugar and I've placed a little bit of mixed spice in the icing sugar just to give it a nice flavour, and looks really pretty too. Cut the carrot cake into 12 or 16 square slices, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's try it. This carrot cake is delicious. I can taste all the lovely spices and citrus flavours. I hope you enjoyed this carrot cake tutorial and try out the recipe. It's delicious. Definitely want to try. Let me know if you make this carrot cake and you can leave me a little comment down below if you do. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching and happy baking everyone.
Scrummy.